Hello, welcome to this tutorial video where I'll be walking you through the automatic analysis workflow for Phantech Uniformity phantoms using the Imalytics Preclinical software. Phantech Uniformity phantoms are designed to perform quality control and calibration on field uniformity, normalization and quantification calibration scans in nuclear medicine. They are constructed to ensure a perfectly homogeneous concentration by minimizing air bubbles and preventing sticking to the interior surface. They are configured in two sizes to simulate typical rodent sizes. So we have 30 millimeters OD for mice and 60 millimeters OD for larger rodents. And these uniformity phantoms will allow you to customize protocols and calibration in order to yield the highest quantitative accuracy for each scanning condition. You can find more information about the uniformity phantoms on the website of Phantech Medical under Phantoms, Preclinical, Nuclear Phantoms, Uniformity Phantoms. You can see it here. You can also open the technical data sheet for some specifications as shown here. But now I will show you the automatic analysis workflow using the Imalytics Preclinical software. So in this video I will show you everything from loading your image data and as well as followed by the automated segmentation and then some statistical evaluation. So let's go. I open the Imalytics software and then under tutorials, SPECT, Phantech Phantoms, Uniformity Phantom, you can load an example dataset. Of course, you can also load your own example dataset via drag and drop, for example. We have here the Uniformity Phantom, and as underlay, we have the CT scan and Hounsfield units. I will enable the transparent 3D rendering that we can see it a little bit better. I will adjust the windowing settings, and this is how the phantom looks like. Now, when you go to the overlay, you can see that we have a SPECT scan and as isotope we have 99 Technetium. Okay, now for the analysis, we go to modules, nuclear, Phantech phantoms, uniformity phantom, and we select the model. It's the mouse, so it's with the phantom with the smaller diameter. And now what happens is that some rings are computed inside the phantom, and here you can see the different parameters for it, the axial variation, the radial variation, some info, and you can save the parameters to Excel or ODS for further analysis. Yes, and this way our automatic segmentation workflow of the Imalytics Preclinical for the Phantech Uniformity Phantom works. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. Take care and happy analyzing.